Hi, this is all the items I took on the trip to Portugal, Netherlands-Portugal. I'll go over all the items. So starting with the boots. The boots are Alpinster boots, very nice boots for warm and cold days. A Revit jacket for the cold days or nights. My gear bike, it's a bedding bike. I use it without the inner layer for the winter. With the helmet, a Premier helmet, X-Trail Premier helmet. I use one of the best things I bought for my on my articles, bike articles. It's the intercom from BAE. This cost me 45 euros. I've been using for almost 2 years and a half, and the battery can have a duration of 2 weeks without charging. Really good stuff. So, going to those small bits for repairs. A motor repair from slime, a pump, motor repair from slime. Oil filter tool, cruise control piece. Very handy to dump all the trepidations and to avoid your right hand to get numb. Care Plus safety kits with everything that you need. My summer gloves from Air Pro Racing. My Alpinster as a backup gloves. My Alpinster winter gloves with a Gore-Tex layer. For repairs, for quick repairs, I took a Bosch kit that contains all the basic items to repair some stuff in the BMW GS from Bosch. So I had torch, the basic tools that come with the bike. For all the tools, I use my racing bracelet to put the tool badge. I use it all in the left arm, very young. I never stopped. To repair the tires, I took this, but I never used it. And this is a kit for air and tubeless repair kit from Rema Tip Top. A face mask in case I need to ride with the open helmet from Magna face mask. For safety reasons, I took a GSM mobile phone with all my family contacts and friends to wash my hands. If I don't have water to wash it, batteries for the head torch, and a fire starter in case you need to make any fire. A waterproof bag from H3 Bags, where I carry my sleeping bag. Europe Tips and Trips book. A notepad in case mobiles they run out of battery. I can write notes over here. Emergency contacts, they're all here. Family, friends in case I have an accident. Electronic device charges. A jump lead for my motorbike battery in case the battery go flat. Sealing box from IKEA where I placed all underwear and all my clothes. Some of these bags I would take on the GS tank and I didn't have to remove the panniers all the time. So this is pretty much the gear that I use on this trip. Thank you very much. So I'm heading now to Europe, the north of Spain. After 1200 kilometers, the trip is going well. So the fun of the trip is going to start now. Well, more or less halfway when I start north of Spain. Alright, see you then, guys. Bye bye. just had to stop very fast. Freaking was just going around because I had the helmet closed. Oh my god. And on this shit, then I left and I forgot my glasses in the bike. So I had to come back again to the very top of this hill and trying to find the glasses. They're on the floor. Fuck, shit, damn wasp, man. Alright, let's keep doing our journey. It's not the last day. The last day will be tomorrow, but today the journey will be another 550 kilometers, quite a lot. Like to Antwerp. Go directly to Leiden would be almost 800. It's like there's no need for me to do that because, well, one more night and I realized that 500k it's the exact amount without like killing yourself. And yeah, so see you at the end of the day with another video. Alright, let's go. And this baby is, oh my god, what a crazy bike. Just petrol, nothing more. Beautiful. Well, until now, let's hope that she takes me home safe and without any problem at all. See you then, guys.